my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be another video on the Mustang. So you guys know I just made a video on my truck that I just got, and you know, it didn't get the attention that I thought it was gonna get. It actually still hasn't even passed 1,000 views. So if you guys haven't seen that video and you guys are interested in the new daily, the new tow rig, you know, go check that out. I'll put the link right here. But you know, it was kind of like a slow video. It never reached 1,000 views within, you know, like this car. When I make videos on the Mustang, you guys love it so much. It hits 1,000 views before even 24 hours. So I understand that, guys. You know, we're a car channel and stuff like that, but you know, I figured I would just bring more content to you guys. But if you guys aren't so interested in that, you know, just please let me know if you guys want me to stick to just, you know, car content and stuff. I'll show you guys what I did to the truck already. I already did tint, I did LED lights and stuff like that. And you know, I was gonna make a new like a new series on the truck, and you know, show you guys me tinting it, show you guys me changing all the LED lights on it, and you know, just little stuff like that. But if you know, if you guys weren't, you know, super you know, excited about it like I was, you know, that's fine. You know, we'll just keep on doing stuff on the Mustang, and I just want to let you guys know the Mustang content is back. So I plan to be, you know, picking up a lot of stuff here in the near future for the car. A lot of suspension, a two-step and stuff like that, man. So that is stuff that you guys can look forward to see. But like right now, man, we're gonna try to start the car. The car's been under the cover for at least like 3 weeks, man. I'm not even joking. The battery might be dead again, so I'm gonna figure a way how to. Someone's calling me. I'm gonna figure a way how to jump this thing real quick, and then I'll get back at you guys. All right, guys. So we got my brother's trusty Super Duty right here. And the car, it was completely flatlined, man. You could barely hear the dinging of the key on, but we got my jumper cables on here. These cables have seen better days, man, but I cleaned them up with a little bit of, I cleaned them up with the wire brush, man. It looks like they're making good contact now, so we should be good to start in a little bit and wait for my tuner to show up, and then we can get on with today's video. He started up a lot faster than I thought. He's alive, man. The car hasn't been on in so long. I'm so excited. I miss this car, man. Alright, and if you guys just heard that, the car just stalled, man. So that's what we're working on today, man. I don't know what's going on with the tune, man. When my tuner was here and he tuned it, everything was running fine. And then, you know, just sometimes happens to, you know, do that once the mechanic or the tuner leaves, that the car starts acting up. So we're gonna work on the idle issue a little bit. That's literally all that's wrong with it, man. And it shouldn't take too long. But the car won't idle, and when it's cold and stuff like that. Yo guys, so we're back, and you know, I'm sorry I didn't get any footage. The car is finished getting retuned. My boy Phil showed up later, like late at night, like probably like 11 or so, because he's taking off to Houston today, and you know, he won't be back for another couple of weeks. And I have some more stuff in the works for the car, and you know, I need to be able to film for you guys. I need to be able to drive the car. So my boy came through. Big shout out my boy PvP Tuning. He came through, man, and he fixed the car. I'm really excited to see how the cold start is. The main thing why man, it's super bright out here. The main thing why, man, the car wasn't really running that good at idle was because, if you guys remember when we guys did the Nitrous video, we were doing the pulls and stuff like that. If you guys want to see that video, click that link right up here. Yeah, click that link right up here, and you guys can go see that video of the 150 shot. But yeah, man, when we were tuning it, all we were doing was, you know, doing pulls, working on the driving and stuff like that. So when we would pull over, all we were doing was loading up a new tune and you know, going from there. So we were never working on idle logs and, you know, stuff like that. So I really have good faith in it that it's gonna start up good right now and it's not gonna stall. And let's check it out, man. Alright guys, it usually takes a little while for the cams to, you know, start loping, and that's when the car would start to die. And when the cams would start loping, it would get really rich, and that's why it was wanting to shut off. So when the cams, when the idle goes down a little bit right now, man, we're gonna see if my boy Philip fixed it. Right about now, man, it would be shutting off, but you know, we could let it idle down a little bit more. Because with the cams, you know, it idles around 850. My tack is off, by the way. Look, there we go. Yeah, with the cams, my idle's about 850. You know, to get that good lopey sound. But yeah, man, it's running good. So big shout out my boy, PB Tuning, man. Fixed the car, and now the car is drivable. You know, when I would drive it and I would pull a bit of light and stuff, that would stall on me, and I was just like, man, it sucked. But it's running all good now. He got me fixed up within a couple of minutes. You know, it didn't take long. It was probably like 20-30 minutes. You know, we got it going. But on to today's video. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. It sounds like a whirring noise. I thought it was a bearing on one of the pulleys. Well, come to find out, it actually is a pulley. And it is the idler pulley, man. Me and my dad were listening to it, and my dad's like, that doesn't sound right. So we actually put a breaker bar in there. We're taking off the load while the car was running, and the sound would go away, man. So I think that's our culprit right there. To get to this, all we need to do is put a breaker bar in there, get the belt off, and then we're gonna have to disconnect. Yeah, we're gonna have to disconnect this bracket right here to get to these 3 bolts down here, and then yeah, man, we should be good. So we'll see you guys on the GoPro. Alright guys, so first things first, we are gonna put a breaker bar in this, like I said, take the belt off, and then I don't know if you guys can see, but right here there's a bolt blocking that top 3rd bolt, because this is only a 3-bolt tensioner, and it's 1, 2, 3, and then the whole tensioner should come off. And we would go to the parts store and replace it, man. This car has like 115,000 miles, so you know, I'm not mad at the tensioner for going out. Should be a little quick, simple fix, and then we'll be back on the road, and hopefully that noise is gonna be going away, man, because I really don't want that thing to lock up. If that thing locks up, the belt is shredded, and if I don't notice, that means no belt driven water pump, and you know, the engine could overheat, and that would be a stupid choice over a cheap little tensioner like that. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here we go. All you gotta do is stick your ratchet down here, right here in this hole, pull it back. Oh, this is a brand new belt, so I literally just put it in a couple of months ago. That Gates belt, baby. Alright, so now that we got the belt off, we need to see the size of this thing. That is probably, yeah, it's probably just a little 10, and all 3 of them look like they're 10s. Oh my god, can you guys hear that? Alright guys, should be pretty simple. Man, I'm sweating my ass off out here for you guys, trying to get some content. So if you guys could please drop your boy a thumbs up. Look how silly your boy looks. Please drop your boy a thumbs up. So I needed to run and get a deep socket real quick, because one of them's a deep socket that holds on that coil pack bracket, and we'll just start grinding away, man, get this thing off. Bolts holding this little bracket in, which I don't know why you need so much, you know, big ass bolts holding this little bracket in. But there's also a hidden one down here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's a hole in this bracket where you can stick a socket through. So I need to get that one off real quick. I was having a pain in the ass trying to take this thing off, and there's still a bolt attached, and I was like, what's in there? But yeah, just a heads up guys, if you guys are, I'm glad I'm doing this when the car's cold, because this radiator hose be burning the hell out of me right now. Yeah, this whole thing's coming loose now. There it is. Now this can get set aside. Wow, the engine looks so much cleaner without these freaking plugs in it. Alright guys, so after fighting with these little bolts, tensioner's finally off, and you guys can hear. And there's also a little bit of play in it. But yeah, man, that thing under full load is probably just screaming, man. So I always like to take these into the parts store. Sometimes there's a core charge and you already have it. Plus, you could put them side by side and make sure they're still good. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to go pick up the new part and then we'll be back. All right, guys, so we're back with the new tensioner. This is our new tensioner right here. As you guys can see, this thing is absolutely silent now. I wanted to show y'all something real quick. This is our new baby boy right here. His name is Louie. Just wanted to show you guys. He's a new little part of the family. But yeah, let's get this install going. Alright guys, here we go. Back with the new tensioner. I cannot believe how quiet this thing is, man. It's insane to me. But yeah, let's get this thing started bolting up and then we'll fire it up, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, let's finish this thing up. I really don't have that much time. I gotta head into work right now, so if you guys are seeing this late, I'm sorry, man. It's Tuesday. You guys are seeing this the same day as I'm recording it, so they just called me into work, so I'm not gonna be able to get it out to you guys later, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing routed in real quick and fire it up, because I'm not heading to work until I hear this thing. Alright, boys. She's all good to go. Belt's all on. You can see that new Alright guys, so I thought I fixed the problem doing the tensioner. Well, it looks like this little booger right here is our next problem. So we finally got a new idler right here. Smooth. What's going on? Alright, try to ignore the honking. My dad's being a crackhead over there with his new horn. He's trying to, I don't know what he's trying to do. But yeah, we got a new idler. Has 2 bearings on each side. Hopefully this fixes it. And we're gonna get cracking, man. I'm gonna take the belt back off and then try to do it. Here we go, guys. Old, new, going on. Literally can't do nothing for a little bit. I think she's jealous of the redhead outside, but we're gonna get this girl fixed up right now. All right, boys. New idler, new tensioner. See what she does. Fixed it, boys. Alright guys, successful install. Like I said, man, I can't be gone for so long from the car because then she starts acting up and starts breaking stuff, so. But I know we, give you guys a little rev. It's been a little while. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much, for sticking with me. I know I've been gone for a while, but I promise the Mustang content is coming back. You guys are not gonna want to miss next week's episode, man. Huge news coming. Stay tuned, man. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed it. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.
I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can.